Welcome friends. Today's session we are going to discuss about Kendall rank correlation, a continuation of the correlation series what we have discussed in our last video. In last video we have discussed about the basics of correlation and we just worked out a problem related to Pearson correlation. So this is another type. Kendall rank correlation is another type where Pearson correlation is a parametric test, whereas a Kendall rank correlation comes under non-parametric test. To give a brief note about Kendall rank correlation, it is a non-parametric test, as I said already, that measures the strength of dependence between two variables, which we have taken for our research. Usually, it is difficult to interpret when the null hypothesis is rejected in a research problem. We can't confirm the alternative hypothesis in a proper way, but in order to support this situation, Kendall rank correlation improves upon this by reflecting the strength of the dependence between the variables being compared in our research problem. So that's the reason this gains more importance in correlation series. And I've just listed out what may be the questions related to Kendall rank correlation can answer. The correlation between a student's exam grade, let it be either A, B, C, and the time spent studying put in categories like lesser than 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours, 5 to 7 hours. So this may be the question you can frame in your questionnaire for Kendall rank correlation. And another example is customer satisfaction. Example, very satisfied, somewhat satisfied, neutral, likewise in Likert scale, and the delivery time lesser than 30 minutes to 1 hour, and 1 to 2 hours. So these type of questions can be framed in your questionnaire with an idea of working out Kendall rank correlation, where we can confirm the strength of the dependence between the variables what we have taken for the comparison. So by this brief description, we will take an example and we will work out with the help of Magastat, add-ins Magastat in Excel for your clear understanding. Shall we proceed? Guys, I have taken a problem for you to work out Kendall rank correlation. The problem goes like this. A study is conducted involving 10 students to investigate the association between statistics and science tests. So, two tests have been taken and we are going to investigate the association between these two variables. Test whether there is a relationship between the degrees gained by the 10 students in statistics and science tests. Use Kendall rank correlation to test the strength of dependence between two variables at 0.05 level of significance. So this was the problem taken for our workout, and I have 10 students statistics and science tests scores, and we are going to analyze with the help of Kendall rank correlation. And the hypothesis I have just made, H0, there is no significant relationship between the ranks individual obtained in the statistics and science exam. And H1, alternative hypothesis, there is significant relationship between the ranks individuals obtained in the statistics and science exam. And we are going to work out or confirm the result with the help of p-value as well as the comparison of calculated value and table value. It's very easy to work out with the help of Magastat. I'm just clicking add-ins Magastat, where we can find non-parametric tests, out of which I'm going to select Kendall rank coefficient of concordance. Click this, you will get a window, Kendall coefficient of concordance. It will ask the input range. I'm just selecting both the scores of statistics and science of 10 students, and I'm just clicking output ranked data. Already the correct for thesis is ticked. I'm going to give OK. That's it. You will get your output in your next page, where I can get the sum of ranks, the average ranks for statistics and science, and the number of samples what we have taken is 10 here. Yes, n equal to 10, and the chi-square score is 5.444. Degrees of freedom is 1, and this is the p-value, that is 0.0196. I'm just highlighting it. So we have calculated the p-value, and here related to the Kendall coefficient of concordance, the calculated value is represented with W, and this what the value 0.544, and the average rank order correlation is 0.494. Okay, and related to the ranks listed for statistics and science, it have been displayed here in the output. Now with this p-value as well as with this calculated value, we are going to confirm our hypothesis. Right. I need the table value for comparison of the calculated value of W. So what I'm going to do, since it is based with chi-square, I'm going to calculate the table value here. It's very simple, going with equal to symbol and typing chi-square, and we can get chi-square dot inv dot. I'm just clicking this where it will ask probability. Click this. The probability is 0.05, as you know, 0.05. I'm just typing it, giving comma, and degrees of freedom, as you know, it is 1. Closing the bracket, giving enter. That's it. You can get the table value here. The table value is 0.003932. So we have calculated the p-value, the calculated value as well as the table value. Now we are going to compare it with the hypothesis calculation. So I have entered the p-value 0.0196. The calculated value what we have calculated 0.544, and the table value we have calculated with the help of chi-square dot inv 0.00393. So with this we are going to confirm our hypothesis. You know, when p-value is lesser than 0.05, we usually reject null hypothesis. Here the p-value is 0.0196, which is lesser than 0.05. So we can reject the null hypothesis. By this we accept the alternative hypothesis that there is significant relationship between the ranks individuals obtained in the statistics and science exam. By another way, we can also confirm the hypothesis by comparing the calculated value with the table value. The calculated value here is 0.544 and the table value is 0.00393. And when calculated value is greater than table value, here the calculated value is greater than table value, we reject null hypothesis. That means we are accepting alternative hypothesis. There is significant relationship between the ranks individual obtained in the statistics and science exam. So by these two ways, we are confirming our research hypothesis with a simple steps using Kendall rank correlation. So this is possible with the help of Addins Megastat in Excel. Guys, if you have any queries, post your queries and we will discuss Spearman rank correlation. That's the third type in correlation series in our next session with an example. Thank you.